Hi guys, so today we are going to learn how to make list in Python. So let's get started. Let's think about the name of a list, say marks. So type the name of a list which we have think marks equal 12, 23, 34, 45, 56, 78. Press enter. It will make the list name marks. So if we want to view our list, just press the name of the list and press enter. It will show us the list that we have created. Now if we want to add something in our list, we have two methods. So the first one is type the name of the list, press and plus A 88 190, press enter. It will add the numbers, but these are temporary. So if we press the name of the original list, the numbers did not appear as you can see. So to add them permanently, we use code dot list name dot append. So type marks dot a double p and d bracket curve bracket not square. Type 6 and press enter. It will add 6 in the list. When we press the name of the list, 6 will be added in new list like this. Now you are wondering how to select list. So type the name of the list, bracket, the digit, as you all know that computer programming number starts from 0 not 1. So if we continue from 0 0 first second, so in second place 34 not 23. Also we can select 2 or 3 numbers except 1. So type name of the list double dash 3. It will select 3 numbers. Also if we want to replace our entries in the list, we have to type position of the entries 3 equal to and press enter. It will change the entries 3 first, second, third entry and replace them with 26, 39 and 50. Let me show you. So our entries are changed and they are new. Also if we want to delete them permanently, type the same 3 numbers equal to empty bracket and press enter. It will delete them permanently. Let us see if they are deleted or not. All 3 entries are deleted completely and our new list have only 5 entries. What if you guys want to delete the whole list? You have to type the name of list, again square bracket, double dot, I don't know its name, and equal to empty bracket. Press enter. It will empty whole list. So when we type the name of the list, it will show only empty brackets. Here you can see the list becomes totally empty. Now if we want to interchange two lists that you have created, you have to type the name of first list and let us know the second list marks 1 2 equal to 999 comma 888 and press enter. So to interchange this list we have to type both list equal marks equal to marks 1 2. It will make the list first marks 2 marks 1 2. So then if we type marks, then it will show the second list. So lists are completely changed. I hope that is enough for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like Tech Trails. Next video will come in 3 to 4 days. Thanks again.